Let me ask you this. Do you have any idea how many targeted visitors and sales you'll make the minute you'll reach page 1 of Google for a buyer search term? Let me show you. Rankings like this, or this will bring you a flood of targeted visitors like this, and ultimately sales and conversions like this. Check out how I rank on the first page of Google in less than 60 seconds. Step 1. Finding highly profitable keywords to rank for. Let's enter video marketing agency. Check out this list of untapped keywords that Videly suggests. Videly will analyze all the keywords targeted by your competitors and show you the keywords that they are using to get the most traffic. And it will tell you how many competitors and how many monthly searches there are for each and every keyword, and how hard or easy it will be to rank for those keywords. Let's go with the search term Video Marketing Agency Las Vegas. Now let's move to the Video Details module. Videly's AI engine will generate perfectly SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your targeted keywords. You'll have the exact right balance of keywords that will make Google totally fall in love with your video and give you instant top rankings. Check out this description generated by the AI engine of Videly. Amazing, right? And finally, click number 3. Copy and paste your titles, tags, and descriptions and upload your video. As easy as that. You get top rankings that stick on the first page for years to come without having to build any backlinks. Now, let's open a private tab and check our rankings. Wow, our video is already ranking on Google for our main keyword. Amazing, right? And you can do this for any niche, in any language, and even for existing videos. Now that I've shown you that it works, let me tell you why it works. We tried and tested every SEO tactic in the book, but nothing beats ranking YouTube videos. Because YouTube is Google's baby brother. You know what that means? It means it has an unfair advantage over each and every other website or platform out there. Google lets its baby brother skip the line and get instant indexing and higher rankings. Maybe you're thinking, okay, that's cool, but I want more traffic to my website too. Nowadays, creating videos is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Inside the member area, I show you how you can create videos in 5 minutes or less using free online tools, even if you have no technical or design skills. You can use those videos to get top rankings and drive traffic to your website or to your Amazon or affiliate pages. It is as easy as it gets. If you tried to rank in the past and failed, look, I get it. Doing this manually is tedious, hard, and to actually rank, you have to be an SEO Jedi. Not anymore. For the past 5 years, we made it our life mission to reverse engineer the YouTube and Google ranking system and figure out how to find the most profitable untapped keywords. We uploaded hundreds of thousands of videos and we analyzed the results and ranking factors. We were determined to figure out what Google and YouTube algorithms like and don't like when it comes to ranking videos. After many years in development, we are proud to present to you Videly, the only software that is able to find untapped buyer keywords and get you top rankings with the click of 3 buttons. What used to take hours of research, writing, and tweaking now takes seconds. That's right, seconds. Everything is 100% white hat, and there is no learning curve, and the results are instant. We're completely confident that Videly is exactly what you need in order to find untapped keywords and get top rankings for your business. In fact, we are so confident Videly will work for you too, we're prepared to let you try it risk-free for 30 days. In other words, you're taking on 0 risks when you invest in Videly right now. I've shown you the proof that it works for me. For our members, and it will work for you too. But you need to get on the inside to use it. If you visit the homepage of Videly.com right now, you will see that the regular price for Videly is a monthly recurring subscription that adds up to over $500 per year. But right now, we are running a special founders offer for the first 1,000 members. This will allow you to get your copy of Videly for a single one-time payment with no monthly fees, and you get free upgrades and support for life. This special Founders Only offer is limited to the first 1,000 people that apply, so if you want to lock in the price, go ahead and click the Buy Now button below this video and start getting top rankings with only 3 clicks. And remember, you take no risk today. You are covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, and you'll also get as a bonus our 5-minute video creation training course. So now that you have no risks, you also have no excuses. Get Videly today and profit from our special Founders offer.